Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing a restore point and a full disk image so you can revert if anything goes wrong. Once done, download the tools: a file archiver, a UEFI editor, and a boot image replacer. Make sure to confirm your firmware type and whether Windows uses UEFI/GPT. That determines the file locations you'll edit. Now mount the EFI partition and extract the Windows Boot Manager files. You will need to locate bootmqua, EFI, and the boot configuration data to proceed with safe changes. You should now work on the extracted Boot Manager. Keep an untouched backup copy and operate only on a duplicate. Open the EFI file in a resource editor or hex editor and locate the BMP/PNG or HII resources that represent the boot logo. Carefully replace images with identical dimensions and color depth. Mismatches can prevent boot. Once replaced, rebuild any embedded tables and update checksums or digital signatures when your tool prompts. At this point, verify file sizes and permissions before writing back to the EFI partition. You now copy the modified EFI file to the EFI partition, keeping file names unchanged so the firmware finds the same loader. If Secure Boot blocks your modified file, re-sign it with a trusted certificate or temporarily disable Secure Boot in firmware settings to test. Remember to re-enable it later. Reboot and observe the new logo. If Windows fails to start, immediately use your recovery media or restore the original bootmqua org from the backup. Troubleshooting tip: check event viewer logs and firmware error messages to pinpoint resource or signature issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.